What's going on everyone, hope you have a great day. So here I am back on another video. I'm Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about as the KARLSEN. So you know that I make a video in before that how to mine KARLSEN, and this video is that. And if you are not still mining KARLSEN, then this video is for you and I hope this will be helpful for you. And if you think that this video is going to be informative for you and also helpful for you, please like and subscribe to this video. Now let's back again on this main topic on this today's video, and it's about the KARLSEN. So this is the main KARLSEN network website, the KARLSENcoin.com, and here is the update that they recently changed their website and some basic features. And this is the update. It's about the ASIC resistance that KARLSEN utilizes the Casper technology, renowned as the world's swiftest open source decentralized and fully scalable layer 1 solution. So Casper is distinguished as the Globe Initial Block DAG, a digital ledger technology that facilitates simultaneous block processing and immediate transaction verification. This innovation is underpinned by iterative proof-of-work mechanism and features exceptionally rapid block intervals of just 1 second. So the first transaction is the 1 per block per second, and the low fees is also available. The ASIC is now listed on as a K-heavy hash. So if you are going to mine KARLSEN by ASICs, this will be goes as a K-heavy hash, and if you are going to mine as a GPU mining, this goes as a KARLSEN hash. And they update their exchanges right now, because in this before only the trade org is available as a KLS for USDT, but right now 4 different exchanges is right now available, and the KLS is listed on these 4 different exchanges. The first one is the ZEGX, and the second one is the trade org, third one is the Xbitron, and the last is non-KYC. So here is some KARLSEN ecosystem, the wallet, explorer, network dashboard, faucet, GitHub, bridge, also some updates, the total different 3 miners. So the first one is the SRB Miner, second one is the LOL Miner, and the third one is the Rigel Miner. And on Hashrate.no, here you can see that Hashrate.no is recommended to mine as a LOL Miner, but if you are mining as a LOL Miner, the hash rate is going to drop something. It's kind of like a, so if you set a high overclock setting, then your miner should be crashed. Also your hash rate is going to drop, because on the high overclock setting you don't get the full hash rate. It's about 636 megahash per second. Also in the medium overclock setting you don't get the max hash rate on there. On the other thing, if you are choosing the SRB miner, there you are not also get the full hash rate on this overclock setting. So you know, in this video that I make a video, it's about how to mine KARLSEN, and I make a flight sheet on the SRB miner, and you know the hash rate, it's about 470 megahash per second on the medium overclock setting. And I told you in this video that if I set the high overclock setting, then V1 card is going to be crashed, but the V2 card is perfectly fine. But I don't get this same overclock setting on this SRB miner. That's why I am not choosing the LOL miner, but for the crashing issue I choose the SRB miner. But still, if I choose the high overclock setting, then SRB miner is also crashes my GPU. On this video I am going to try as a Rigel Miner, and in this here I am going to update it to you that Rigel Miner is going to be the best miner to mine KARLSEN network. So if I choose this overclock setting as a medium overclock or also as a high overclock setting, then my both card is not crashing and it's work perfectly fine. So if I choose this overclock setting as a Rigel Miner and also the medium overclock setting, then my both card is works fine. So let's see that on the price is right now. So on the trade rock, here we can see right now the price is, it's about 0.18. But on the morning I discussed one of my viewers that he's told me, can I buy the KARLSEN right now? On the time the price it's about 0.17. But I told them it's about that, hold on, let's see that the price is going down or not, and if the price is going down then buy it, otherwise this is your choice. And right now the price it's about going down the 0.1750. and if you are watching this video, comment on me below that you are buying it or you just hold it still, because right now the selling pressure is going high. So right now the price is going down, it's about going 0.176 H277. And the other update is that on the Hero miners, that one of viewers is trying, it's about that can I change my minimum payout on the Hero miners. On the time the minimum payout it's about 50 KLS or the 50 KARLSEN, but the latest update is that if you are choosing the Hero miners, the minimum payout it's about 100 KLS or the 100 KARLSEN. So if you are choosing the pool mining or the solo mining, so both are the minimum payout it's about 100 KARLSEN. So if you reach your threshold the 100 KLS, then you can see your balance or it can be reflect on your wallet. So this is the update. It's about that the Hero miners is right now updated minimum payout threshold. It's about 50 to 100 KARLSEN. And also another update is that right now the KARLSEN network wallet is not working, or if you choose the wallet on the custom setup on Windows as a smart node, then this wallet is right now is not connecting or this is not working. So that's why this is a short update also in there, but maybe this is going to be a fix and it should be fine again. So right now go on the HIVEOS, and here we can see this is the HIVEOS, and on this here I just make a video. It's about GPRX, and on there I just told you that right now I am mining and hold some GPRX on that, and here we can see Gain Pro X goes on the top and goes on the second number. The GPRX revenue is right now 684, so that's why I just mine some Gain Pro and hold some coins on my wallet. So in here on the HIVEOS, and here we can see that I just continuously mine also the KARLSEN, and here we can see this is the hash rate. It's about on my both 3060 card is 940 on the SRB miner, but today I am going to choose as a Rigel miner. So in this here on my flight sheet, here we can see that I change or create another flight sheet. It's about the Rigel miner, and this is the SRB miner that it's continuously running up in there. So this is about the SRB miner. Now I'm going to the Rigel miner and give you the update, and also that how to create the flight sheet on Rigel miner in here. So on I just click on the edit section, and here we can see I just choose my coin. It's about the KLS, and the wallet it's about the Trademark, the same exchange wallet, and I choose again the Hero miners on there. In here I choose the Rigel miner. So if you click on the miner, here we can see the total 3 miners is available on there to recommended to mine KARLSEN. The first one is the LOL miner for the Nvidia and the AMD card, and if you are choosing the Nvidia card, you can also choose the Rigel miner, and if you are choose as a SRB miner, so both you can apply on this card. So I choose the Rigel miner in here, and on the setup config file I set the name in here, and on the setup config file here you can see that the auto hash algorithm is taken. It's about the KARLSEN hash. The wall.worker name I just choose out in there. Password set as a X, and worker name I choose the worker name. And on the pool section, because I'm choosing the auto server pool, so that's why here we can see this is it's about the URL is available on there. And the extra config argument I set the overclock setting in here, because I don't set the direct overclock setting, so that's why I choose overclock setting on my extra config argument. So in here we can see this is the high overclock setting, that the co-op set is about 200, locked core clocks is 1680, memory clock it's 18, and the power limit is 150. And on this before I make a video and choose this overclock setting, the minimum or the medium overclock setting is the core clocks is 1500, co-op set is 300, and the locked memory clocks is 18, and the power limit is 150, but I don't choose the power limit on there. But in here I set also the power limit and also this overclock setting I just choose on this. You can see on there that the same overclock setting I just applied on there. The CC lock is 200, lock core clocks is 1680, lock memory clocks is 18, and the power limit is 150. So apply on changes in there and update. On this SRB miner you can see that the same coin, wallet, Hero miners, auto server pool, set the name and choose the SRB miner in there. And the setup config file in here I set the high overclock setting on there. Hash algorithm is the KARLSEN hash, wall, worker name, pool, auto server pool. So that's why the URL, password as a X, the same overclock setting also in there. So this is the same overclock setting. I just apply on this overclock setting. So apply on changes and update. So both flight sheet are ready. Now I am going to mine KARLSEN on this both miner. Latest version is the SRB Miner version 2.4.2 and the latest version is the Rigel 1.10.0, and you can see the hash rate and the difference, that why I changes my mining from the SRB miner to the Rigel miner. And in here we can see that the latest update is that KARLSEN or the KARLSEN hash algorithm is now added. The dev fee is the 1% and you can also be mined as a dual mine as a Rigel miner. So right now go on to the live update and let's see that what is the hash rate and the other settings. So first one, I choose SRB miner in here. Let's see that what is the hash rate. So in here we can see that the KARLSEN is now mining on the SRB miner version 2.4.2, the latest version, and I'm choosing the hero miners. And here we can see that my both card is getting, it's about 526.8 megahash on the high overclock setting, and I don't set any overclock setting direct on there. I choose only the fan suite option in there. And if I choose on the flight sheet, here we can see that the same setting which I applied in before, that's the high overclock setting. The core clock, memory clocks, and the core offset is the same. So this is the total hash rate right now is the 1 gigahash, 1.051 gigahash total, and V1 card and the V2 card is getting the same hash rate. It's about 526.7 to 8 megahash per card. So now move on to the Rigel miner and let's see that what is the hash rate that I achieved. So I just click on and update my flight sheet, and in here that this is the setting in here. Now let's see that what is the live update on the Rigel miner to mine KARLSEN on this high overclock setting. So this is the live update that in my HIVEOS KARLSEN is now mining on the latest miner is the Rigel version 1.10.0, and here we can see that the KARLSEN hash or the KARLSEN is increased hash rate on my both 3060 card. It's about 639.7 to 640.9, and also set the same overclock setting. And in here we can see I just set the fan speed option. I don't set other settings on this overclock setting or the flight sheet settings in here. And if I choose the flight sheet settings, here we can see that I just click on my flight sheet, and on there here we can see that the same settings I applied in here, that the high overclock setting. So this is the update. It's about that why I choose or change my miner to mine KARLSEN as a SRB miner to the Rigel miner. The total hash rate here we can see I just got, it's about 1.281 gigahash. So total I got it's about 100 megahash than the SRB miner, because on this SRB miners I got it's about 540 and in here it's about 640. So total it's around 200 megahash. So this is the overall update in this here, that why I choose my miner from SRB miner to the Rigel miner, because in here we can see that I just total hash rate it's about 940 megahash per second, and in here it's about 1.281 gigahash per second, and in here you can see the KARLSEN hash on SRB miner it's about 1.053 gigahash. Two things that why I change my miner from the SRB miner to the Rigel miner, because on this Rigel miner I get the better hash rate and also the improvement. It's about the smooth experience I just face on these Rigel miners, because SRB miner is going to be crash my rigs, my V1 card, but not the V2 card, because V2 card is working fine but the V1 card is going to crash on this high overclock setting on this SRB miner and also the LOL miner or the LOL miner. But when I choose the Rigel miner, my both card is working fine and there is no crashing issue. So I just choose the Rigel miner and I think it continuously goes up on the Rigel miner. So that's why in this video that I make this video, it's about that why I choose my miner from the SRB miner to the Rigel miner. And if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also there is the lots of video, it's about the Gain Pro X and the KARLSEN Etika Max Eater or the MiQ AI. All the different coins is available. Friend coin also available. So right now let's see that what is the profitable coin is right now on Hashrate.in, because on this what to mine, if I choose the what to mine, and in here we can see I just set my 3061 card and the current profit and the current values, and I just calculate. So in here we can see that the GPN is now the most profitable coin on the what to mine. Right now this is added on what to mine, because in this before GPN is not added on what to mine. There is, you can see that the KARLSEN is not available, but on the other hand the Xano, Game Pass, Kappa on NiceS, New Ride, Neoxa, all the coins is right now available on there, but this is not going to be the max profitable or the max revenue is going in there. So that's why I choosing the Hashrate.ino. There is the new coin is also available, and right now again the reaction is going on the top. This is the main topic in this video, that why I choose the Rigel Miner to mine KARLSEN and not choosing the SRB Miner. This is the overall update in this video, and if you think that this video is going to helpful for you and if this going to informative, then please like and subscribe to my channel to support me. So now wrap up in this video. I will see you in the next one. So have a great day. See you in the next one.